Explosion heard in Ukraine's Melitopol. Early Friday morning, residents of Melitopol woke up to a single explosion sound. Mayor of Melitopol has said that so far they have not reported any casualty and they have not got any reports about destruction of any property in and around the area. However, investigation is going on to see where exactly the explosion has taken place in Melitopol. Earlier in 2022, Melitopol was one of those cities in Ukraine which was continuously bombarded and shelled for a long time, and in this area many Russian as well as Ukrainian army personnel have died along with many civilians who lost their life early in 2022. Stay updated with